Good morning, my lovely kids. Welcome to your English rhyme class. Do you love to play in the rain? Yes? That's nice. When the rain comes, what we are using? Umbrella. Hello students. Today I will teach you another English new rhyme. And the name of the rhyme is Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Students, see here. It's raining over here. And what is the girl holding in her hand? Yes, tell me. Umbrella. When the rain comes, we are using umbrella. Yes. So now let's begin with the rhyme. Students, recite the rhyme with action. 1, 2, 3, start. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Once again. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Students, it's very easy rhyme. Learn this rhyme. Bye-bye.